Hey, bring the trash can. Bring the trash can. Oh, what the fuck? Oh!
Go, yo, no, continue. Oh, fuck my eyes, bro. Oh, shit, my eyes.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Hot Ones. Today we have a special guest, YouTube's upcoming creator on the rise, the one and only MartyBlendz.
What's up, guys? So as you can see, we have 10 wings right in front of us with 10 different sauces. Well, the first one is literally not that hot until you get to the very end, which is the last dab. On that one, that Scoville is at the max, so it gets to the hottest of the wings. So as we go through the wings, every wing I have to answer 2 questions, but the Barber edition of this video means I have to cut up someone right behind us right now. So the whole point is to actually eat a wing and then go cut up someone right after. The hotter it gets, the more challenging it is for me to actually finish up the haircuts. So as you can see, we have water and milk. We're gonna try not to drink out of them, but the whole point is if you do need it, you are allowed to actually drink it up because these wings do get a little too hot. So stay tuned because we will find out who can actually handle the heat.
So Marty, there's a lot of things people want to know about you. We actually gave your fans a chance to ask you a couple questions, and we're gonna start off with, from a 1 through a 10, what would you rate your first haircut? Before you even answer that, let's take a bite of the first wing.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, no, hey, cheers. All right. It's not that bad. I would rate it, if you're talking about like the first initial haircut that I just mentioned in the garage, flat out 1. Probably not even a freaking rating. But the first like initial haircut I did give after the fact that I had ordered all my clippers, the ones that I wanted and stuff like that, I'd give myself a good hard, like I'd go a 5, like a good 5.
5?
I'd go a 5.
But with the Walmart clippers, you gave it a 1?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Way lower than that.
Alright.
Way lower than that. First one was too easy. I'm hoping I actually get a challenge. This is way too easy. Done with the first one, let's get on with the second wing. Let's go.
Another popular question people want to know about you is, ¿hablas español? Do you speak Spanish?
So, I am from South Texas. I do speak Spanish. So, si quieren verme hablar un poquito más español, drop it down there in the comment section. I don't want that.
Really?
It's not that hot though.
Do it for the gram.
But I don't really like speak it as much as English. So on my YouTube, I actually have people like, yo, why do you guys speak freaking Spanglish? And
I bet.
yeah,
I read those comments.
yeah.
Haters, man.
So the second one wasn't even that hot. I just want to say, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below because I see that a lot of you guys are not. I just want you guys to take a second and just click that little button. It means the world to me. Let's get on with the video.
Also, don't forget to hit the little bell button. It's also for those notifications on MartyBlendz when he posts his little videos.
So the next question is a question I want to know myself as well. Why did you start YouTube?
Oh, that's a good one. Whoa, damn, this one's getting hot. You're putting more on it? This gets crazy.
See how it tastes?
Whoa. Let's creep it all on me. So I started YouTube because a lot of people would ask me like, how do you do this? How do you do this? I'm like, okay, let's put a tutorial out there and everything.
So you say like the main purpose of your channel is like to
show other people what I use.
To teach people.
To teach, well yeah, obviously, that's what tutorials are. The other, like, there was actually 2 reasons why I did. And then the second one was because I wanted to actually like inspire people and show people what I have as my skills. Like, I feel like if you're just a barber and you don't ever post anything or anything, people will come through, you'll gain clientele and all that, but you won't actually get out there how you would with social media. So I'd say definitely, if you're not posting by now, post some pictures, post some videos, and then after that, you'll see what happens. Maybe you get onto YouTube as well.
On to the next question. So when you started barbering, who was one of the, I guess, barbers you looked up to?
One of the barbers I actually looked up to. I'm gonna mention this one because he's literally like the OG, the one I used to look up to, and I still do, man. Like Wester Barber. Barber was the one. Wester was the one that I was initially like, damn, like one day I want to be like this, and habla español y todo, so quiero.
Yeah, he's
quiero
Puerto
colaborar.
Rican.
Sí.
That dude's crazy, bro.
Sí. No, yeah.
Even I know who that guy is.
Yeah.
Hey, you're gonna make it.
One day
You're
we'll
gonna make it.
collab.
The way you're going, bro, you're gonna make it.
One day.
Look at the logo, guys.
Dude, yeah,
It's
kind
literally
of.
a devil.
It's intimidating as
No.
heck.
Let's dab it up. Let's dab it up.
I'm not dabbing it up.
Come on.
I don't like saucy
YouTube.
stuff.
Let's
No,
go.
I'm not scared of it, but I'm just like, I don't want to puke.
Alright, let's go,
early on.
let's go.
Ready? Ugh, not good. No, I'm good.
Nah, this is not hot, bro.
No, it's not hot at all. It's actually really good.
Los Calientes better be hotter than that.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the questions was, how old are you right now? That's the one that the ladies want to know.
Yeah.
And when did you start cutting hair? What age?
Okay, so I'm currently 23 years old. I started barbering when I was 19. 19 up to now is about 4 years and a half. So I'm not a newbie. I wouldn't consider myself a newbie. I do cut every single day, and I've cut up plenty of people. So I don't consider myself starting off.
So you're an intermediate.
Hell no.
Nah, you're
I mean, I wouldn't
You're
consider
a pro?
myself. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's see what the pro thinks about this Los Calientes.
Alright, let's go. Okay, don't get.
Ooh, I feel this one already.
Yeah. Oh, my tongue.
It ain't that bad though.
Nah.
Not yet. Man, I'm feeling disappointed so far. What do you think?
Well, I mean, I saw a lot of episodes on this, and like they were actually free. No,
At
they
this
weren't freaking out.
point, people
they're
are already
"Oh, it's
like,
kicking
yeah.
in."
Now I think they're all
Creeping up.
capped. Now I think they're all capped.
Honestly, the last wing was probably hotter than this one.
I feel like the last one was hotter than
Yeah.
that, right?
Guys, so we are practically already done with the 5th step of the haircut. 5th wing already done. I think we're on our 6th wing, and I really don't feel anything. I think a lot of artists just pretend like it's freaking hot, or I don't know. We'll see. We'll see in the next couple wings.
So this is more on the personal side. It's gonna be, who is MartyBlendz and what is your personal favorite haircut?
Yeah. First initial thought when it reached your tongue. I know that's not like something. It's like so. It's like an in general kind of question, but I'd say I'm striving to be the best I can be for sure. But I'm not gonna settle for anything other than like the best in general. Favorite haircut I think would be.
Can I guess or what?
Yeah, go for it.
Mid, I say high. High comb over.
I'd say mid come over. I know it's super.
Random.
No, it's not super random. It's like super common actually. No, this one's hot. I can see. Or better right here.
Boy, you capping.
No, for. Oh shit.
Oh boy, you sweating already. I can see it.
Good no. It says, dude. It says killer.
I know.
Okay, go for it. Gluten free.
All right, enough of that. So the next question is, how many hours do you put into barbering?
How many hours do I put into barbering? That's a really good question. Let's do it. A little bit. Yeah. All right, let's go.
I'm gonna get that sauce,
Nah,
bro.
put your tongue on the sauce. Put your tongue on the sauce and then bite it. Nah, there we go. Me too. Oh, that's fucking disgusting. Beer.
That is hot.
Oh my god.
You're like, I don't want to answer the question, right?
Oh, I forgot about a question. Oh, what was it? I don't even know what the question
crying.
was. I don't know what the question was.
How many hours do you put into barbering?
I said I wanted to
get water.
I'm gonna get water, bro.
I might give this for some milk.
I'm going for the milk, bro. Oh, fuck.
I think Shaquille O'Neal wasn't lying about this one.
What was the question?
How many hours a day do you put into barbering?
Dude, a crazy amount, because I cut up a lot. Everybody around me knows I cut like. Everybody around me like knows me. Knows I'm literally. They know I cut every single day. Whoa.
So like what, 10 hours, 12 hours?
No, way more than that a day.
Yeah.
Like I'd say like 12 hours a day.
You want to skip to the next one? My head.
Verga, güey. Al chile no, güey.
I'm like,
We're gonna die here, bro. Props to the hot ones because,
Thank you,
to
brother.
be honest, I wasn't feeling any of these. Thank you.
That was just like a. So before we take a bite out of this wing, I'm gonna let you think about this question while you're in pain.
Okay.
So it's, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Where do I see myself in 10 years?
Hurry up, take a bite. Let's go.
Oh, hell nah, bro.
Oh man, that tastes like regret. Just hold on. I can feel it in my nose. Okay, it's creeping. It's creeping. What do you think? Oh shit! Wait till you swallow.
Swallow.
I did.
Swallow. I don't even want to swallow, bro.
When you swallow, it's game. When you swallow, it's game over.
Swallow. I can't. Oh my. It got fucking hot, bro. Oh my god. Oh fuck my eyes, bro. Oh shit, my eyes, bro. My eyes. Oh fuck, bro. Don't touch your eyes, bro.
I want some.
Oh, look at these goosebumps. Like, what the hell, dude?
What?
Look at these. Look at my skin right now.
10 years, Marty.
Oh. In 10 years, I picture myself.
Not eating these wings for sure.
No, hell no. Hell no. Sadly, I want to actually like retire out of barbering after 10 years. I want to do real estate. I've always said that. And I'm gonna make it happen. Guys, so we're kind of changing it up. We're gonna have the model also get in to this. So you're gonna actually try the bomb that we just tried.
What's going on, man? How's it going?
I just want to wish you good luck, because it's not lightweight, bro.
I got it.
Just a little bit. No, I got it. I'm closer.
Oh!
Go! Yo, no! Consume it. Go.
All right, so I mean, it's hot. It's stinging in my throat.
4,
But
3.
same thing, still in my throat. It's
Okay.
burning. It's burning in my throat really hard. I don't need water though. I'm
Yes.
good. I'm chilling.
All right, we're gonna skip that then. We're gonna go straight to this one after.
No, yeah, for
All
sure.
right, okay, we'll do this one next.
No, yeah, it's hitting. It's hitting
hitting,
more.
right?
Yeah,
It's hitting.
I like it. Like
No, you're gonna feel it.
it sets in and it just stays there, bro. Like it doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Like
No, you're gonna have to go through the next two with us. Your stomach hurts? Mine too, dude.
Does it really?
Yeah, I don't know if I just want to fart or like. Right? I'm serious.
I swear to God.
Me too, dude. I'm not tripping. Over there, what you say?
bro, I don't want to close my mouth. Bro.
Right.
It's just like
if you open
it feels better. Like the air that's just coming out just feels so good. Just like, just breathe. You'll be good. We're gonna see what's up. Let's see if they're capping or not.
So this question is like a little personal as well. It's did your parents always have faith in you? Did they believe in you?
At the beginning, my parents didn't want me to do what I'm doing today. My parents actually wanted me to be like a registered nurse, and then I totally like dropped out of school. So they were so disappointed in me like staying home. And a year later, I asked my mom like, do you believe in me, right? This is me cutting every single day nonstop, and she tells me like, no, she doesn't believe in me. It kind of got to my head, and I was just like, nah, I'm gonna prove it wrong, and nah.
That's an honest answer, bro.
No, yeah. No, that one's like super serious, bro. Like I take that super serious. A day ago, we went like created on the res on YouTube. So that means you open up that trending page and we're the first ones on there as created on the res. I called her and I was like, open up your YouTube app and go to the trending page. She did that and she was like, oh my god, are you serious?
You're the first one there.
I'm the first one on there, so I was just like, what the heck? Like,
Salute to that, for real.
That's crazy.
but it's all about like making things a reality.
That's good to hear, bro.
Yeah.
Hard work pays off. All right, well, let's get it on to the next wing. Let's go.
This one says, stings your tongue and blurs your vision. Oh my, it's Wait up. No
you
way.
have
It
to-
has seeds, way.
You have to doubt
Dude,
that one.
you know what this reminds me of?
Look, wait up.
Dairy Queen.
Ready? Cheers, boys. Sheesh.
Cheer that up. Yes, sir.
Get the wing out of the way.
Oh yeah, I can feel that. I can feel it. It's right here. It's like on this side. Yeah.
Literally, like you take the bite and you feel it like instantly.
Yeah. Woo. I feel like my mouth is so numb. Like I can't really feel much.
No, I feel everything.
It won't go right. It won't go away.
It'll go away.
It doesn't matter how much milk you drink, bro. I honestly want some ice cream now.
Didn't finish this freaking salad, dude. You know what the worst part is? I have your edge up for the final dab, the last dab. Right here, I was like doubting the whole game.
I was like, nah, this shit's wag. This is all cap.
Yeah, all cap, like nah.
I was like, the hot was on YouTube, bro.
Yeah, cap.
Fake. Fake.
Nah. $1 million. Finish all this, bro.
To your enemy, I'll
I say no. I say no to $1 million.
No?
I would say, hey, you keep the $1 million. I'm not gonna
Nah, you're cap.
No, I'm not. Your life will be miserable.
Yeah, honestly, I think
Hey, that's you and this is JJ. Cap.
Nah, honestly, we're gonna see after this last one, and then you tell me if I'm capping or not.
You're right.
Yeah.
You got a point. So we've reached the end of the show. We've done all 9 sauces and we finally off to the last one. The last dab. This is literally 10 out of 10 spicy and it's in the World Guinness record. Are you ready to try this?
No, but
But remember, on this one we always have to extra dab it.
okay. Hey, no, don't. Hey, bro, what the heck?
I'm gonna do the same thing with you. Let's go.
Bro, what the hell?
Look,
Oh my
Let's go.
god. Hey, wait.
I'm gonna do it with you.
I just want you guys to see how much we have on here. On the actual show, they hell no, they don't.
I
do
do
this
not
much.
recommend.
Hell no. But we gonna do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh.
Bro, fucking cat. Hey, bring the trash can. Bring the trash can.
It doesn't go away, bro. I just went fucking light again, bro.
Oh, what the fuck?
The question was, what would I be doing other than barbering? Nothing at this point. I put my all into this, and I don't regret it. Like, someone asked me the same. Recently, I have the biggest dreams, and I will accomplish them. This is fucking nuts, dude.
Bro, this fucking
That no. Oh, dude.
away, bro.
That shit
Oh my
away,
God.
for real. I feel like I can't stop shaking.
This is the fade itself. It's super faded up and blurry. So we finally reached the end of the video, and if you guys did stick throughout the whole thing, thank you guys so much. If you did see me rep this merch out right here, it is my personalized merch I am creating, and I will release these soon. So they are an oversized fit. If you do want to cop one, make sure you stay tuned for further videos because I will be giving you guys and updating you guys. Other than that, that's been it for us. I'm MartyBlendz. This is my boy JJ. Peace out.